So it has been almost 8 months since we moved into our home here in Nova Scotia, and as many of you know, we have moved in here with absolutely no kitchen. This $18.99 home literally had the kitchen taken out of it before we got here, and so we've had to function with zero kitchen. So we've been making use of a lot of different types of ways to make our dinners and get our food prepped by not having that space to be able to do that. So today I wanted to share with you a recipe that we've been making in our crock pot that I think that your family will enjoy too. I'm just going to use just a standard size crock pot. We just have one of the $40 or $50 ones from Walmart. I'm going to fill in all of my ingredients. And so we're gonna make a really nice winter stew. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up some stewing beef. I like to use my kind of butcher scissors here to be able to do it. So just gonna cut up these large cubes into smaller pieces. One of the reasons why I love the crock pot is that especially if we're gonna be working on a project all day like today, or we're gonna be working on our kitchen, we can actually just at the end of the day know that basically someone else has already made dinner. So just doing 10 minutes of prep in the morning means at the end of the day, when we're tired after working, we have dinner ready for us to just pull out of the crock pot. Next, I'm going to use 2 cups of warm water and one of these beef bouillon cubes, and I'm just gonna put the cube into the water and let it dissolve. And then once it dissolves, I'm going to pour this into the crock pot. So I'll just leave that off to the side for a minute. It's gonna dissolve. You might have to kind of mash it up with a fork to get it moving along a little bit. And I'm going to put in a can of tomato paste. And I'm going to cut up 1 large onion, or in my case today, I have 2 smaller onions. So I'm gonna get these all diced up. Dice up about 4 large potatoes. 3 more ingredients to put in. I'm going to add some peaches and cream corn, and I usually like to add about a cup and a half. Doesn't really matter exactly. It's just a personal preference on how much you want to put in. You can also add carrots, you can add peas, pretty much any vegetable you want you can add to the crock pot. But I'm gonna just go with the corn today. And then I want to add just a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce. I never say this right. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I like to also add in just a tiny bit of garlic. And I just mean a sprinkle. You really don't want too much. Now that I have all the ingredients in the crock pot, I'm going to put it on for about 8 hours on high. And then by the time we're done all of our work today, working on the kitchen renovation, our dinner will be served. So I'm gonna give it a really good stir, put the lid on, and then I'll probably come back in about an hour or so, give it a little bit of a stir, and kind of catch it just a couple times while I walk by today. And as we work today, the house is going to start smelling amazing, because there's nothing better than the amazing smells of dinner that's cooking for itself while you're working during the day. I'm going to put all the information for this recipe in the description box in case your family wants to make it for themselves. It's really easy. It takes me about 10 minutes to throw it in the morning. And then by the end of the day, we have a delicious warm meal waiting for us when we're ready to relax for the evening. If you have any crockpot recipes that you want to share with our YouTube family, leave them in the comment section down below, because as you know, our kitchen isn't built yet and we're still enjoying some of these warm hearty meals from our crockpot.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes in a glow of disguise.
Oh my God. Oh.
And now there's something in the air, and a small vision.
So graceful.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
Picking me up?
You had everything so tight in the
Garage? Sorry. Here, just back up and I'll get on down here.
Okay. Yeah, that's not gonna fall.
No. What do you need, sweetheart?
I don't know, just like it smells like you burn an engine here. Trying to move.
Wait a minute. It's
H?
yeah, you're an H. You're supposed to be an H.
Oh, buddy.
I didn't look. I just hopped on.
Day, don't dump your mom.
I just saw my life flash before my eyes.
This is bad news, Rit. You should have a helmet on.
I thought I was just sitting with him right there for a minute.
He's good. Hold on. Okay, you're good. You're good. Day, you're good. The forest.
I'm not going to the forest with no helmet on. Stop. We're sitting together waiting for Dad.
Oh my God. Okay,
He's gonna die.
let's go. We're leaving these guys. We're going to the forest to start. Nice and smooth.
Where's the new kid?
Keep going. Oh, I'll show you. Keep going up here.
Okay, Dad, my love tree.
Turn it around, Chase, and then just come through here. Follow my footsteps.
He's doing? He's just coming around. He's trying to come around. If you actually turn, think you hurt anybody? Stop.
Yeah, so you got to just back straight up right now. Just do it. Just back straight up like you didn't even do that. Just put it in reverse. Put your tires straight. If anything, make your truck.
Back up some up. Back up.
Keep going. No, he can't. Now turn your tire towards me. Yep. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Now what I want you to do is pull it as tight as you can to this tree without hitting it. Okay, and then when you get this front tire, Chasey, to around this tree, cut it as hard as you can this way. Okay, now cut it hard, cut it hard. There you go. Yes! Okay, and now you can reverse. Crank the other way, you want to go about a half a foot or a foot. You don't even want to go far. You've already got that turn. You just want to, yep. Just about a half a foot. Nice a little bit. Keep going. There. Now crank her hard towards me.
Good job. There you
Go to that tree. Point to that tree. Yep, there you go. Nice move.
Good, Casey.
Watch your back tire. Okay, come down here. Come down here. There you go. Well, we're gonna set the drone up, Dave, so you gotta keep doing laps so we can find you. So just keep driving nice around the property. You go, yeah, around the house, but come in here too, like in the trail, normal trail.
Oh yeah, that's what he was saying. That's what he was saying.
Yeah. Yeah, around the house. Well, it's beautiful out.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Grab your remote. Let's shut this lid. And then
It can
we'll,
take off
from the box. Better get that thing up in the air.
Okay, which one? Okay, that's up. This is look around. This is up and down.
Yeah. We'll record it, and then when you want to take a picture, we'll take a picture.
Okay.
So try and remember the buttons. Now look at your video. Okay, now try and find your brother. Go up high and turn your camera angle.
Okay. I need to click it downwards.
Right, this one right here. This roll one turns this one right here turns your camera up and down. You got to go up high though. So put it down so you can see
much, right?
Yeah, and then you can find them. And remember, you're filming, so the smoother you are, the better your shots are going to be. That's pretty. Slow, slow, slow. And go up higher. Yeah, get those aerial shots. Point it straight down. There you go. Oh, Mom's got Fin. Finny!
Whoop, Finn! Pulling me faster than I could.
Hi, Lois.
I had her on the lead because Day was on the quad, so I wanted to make sure she was.
I found Day.
He said he was gonna do one more lap.
Yeah, he's in front of the house.
He thought Finn was off the, like, had escaped the house on her own. He was like, she scared me, and he had his hands on his goggles. Hi, Dad. Oh,
Hi, bud.
Finny, you're twisted.
Hi, Fin.
Finny, wait for Mom. Oh, come here. There you go.
Oh, there you are, Chasey.
Do you want me to get,
What you smelling, Finn?
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Bubbles.
Finny.
Hi, Bubbles. Hi.
Mom put me on this, and I wanted to run through the trees.
Where Day went. You went in the forest.
Oh, Finn.
You're not usually back here, Finny, because it's too wet usually.
Watch out, you could fall through some spots.
Okay. Stay right here then. Now I lost where Day went. Careful, Chasey. There's a big tree there.
I mean, really.
You went into the forest? It's too. Oh, there he is.
Careful, Chasey.
He's fine.
Yeah, I'm really high.
He can see.
Hey, he's in the forest. I can't see him.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Hey, Vivian. Hi.
He's trying to take me out at sea.
Hi, Finn. Hi. Hi.
Aw, this is for your boy.
Hi, Vivian.
He liked getting you off the school bus today.
Yeah.
Oh, where you going, Finn?
Oh, hi. Hi, Vivian. Is this fun? Is this fun? Hi.
Me, I
Beck.
look like I just went to the spa. Look at her face with the,
Hey, Vivian,
ears
look.
in.
Look at me. Hi.
You look adorable, Finny.
Vivian, look at me. Hi.
Like a basset hound with no ears. Hi, Finny girl. You get your ears warm?
Thanks, Dave. We got some good shots. You're doing good.
Oh my goodness, Finn. Mom's got this silly snoot on me, Dad. I look like an old lady. Hi, Finn. Oh, hi, pretty girl. You got a little bit of snow on you. Okay, YouTube needs some smell-o-vision because look at this delicious stew. We have about an hour and 20 minutes left. It looks delicious. I'm gonna give it one last stir And then in about an hour, we'll be able to serve dinner. Philip's out right now. He is getting a whole bunch of wood to load up the wood stove for the evening so we can sit and have some stew in front of the wood stove.